Hey guys, sorry I haven't made any content in a while, but I haven't been using my machine much. Uh, Probably only put 20 to 40 hours on it since I got it. Since I made my previous training videos, I've probably only used it for 20 hours maybe more. But recently I encountered a problem that's probably good content for all you guys that have this machine. It's a Laguna IQ. This is I think a 2021 model. I'm about 8 months out of warranty, and my spindle started acting up, started howling really bad. And I'll post an example of what it was doing right here. Okay, so the sound that it was making, it's got to be bearing related. It's pretty much the only thing that makes contact with anything in that spindle. And I contacted Laguna. Laguna said it's bearings. I showed them that video, and they said that I'd have to replace the bearings, or eventually my spindle's just gonna lock up on me, or slow down, or things are gonna get bad. So, I said, all right, send me a quote. They told me it was going to be $800, but they could give me a little bit of a discount since I'm so close to my warranty. I asked them why it went out so soon, why it does this, and they said they don't really know. They think that the problem lies in the water chiller system, that it creates moisture inside the spindle, and somehow that gets the bearings. Even though the bearings are supposed to be ceramic, I don't know why that would be an issue, but it is what it is. So not wanting to run the spindle and eventually maybe possibly damaging the machine more, I found one on Amazon that is the exact same model name and number, and I bought it, took a chance on it. I saw somebody else with a Laguna IQ bought it. He said he had to change some of the wiring because the wiring in the connector was different. So the photo they have on Amazon, the wiring is different. And I don't normally trust photos on Amazon, but I figured for the price difference, this is $189 plus tax. It's like $200 shipped to my door, versus the quote I got from Laguna for a new one, even after their discount, was just over $800. So that's a lot of money. I could buy 4 of those for the price of that one. So I decided to take a chance. I did it. I bought it. I wrote down all my connectors on top of the spindle. On the new spindle, I don't know if you can see, but the ground's in the back, and the water lines, I have them in the front just because of the connector. I didn't have to rotate 180 degrees. But the 2 lines that were different on here are the U and V lines. So I had to switch my U and V in the controller, in the controller box. And right in the back of the box, right in the back, right about a few inches in front of this spot, there's like a power strip where all the wires come in. So this cable runs into your controller. All I did was loosen the UNV and flip them. So since then, the spindle works perfect. I haven't had any problems. I haven't had a chance to put an RPM gauge on the spindle because I don't have one. I think I might order a cheap one and try it. I'm curious how close it is to actual RPM, but it functions the same way the original works, and so far I've had no issues with it. And I'm gonna fire it up just to show you guys, and here we go. So we're gonna run, I got a program called PROF1. Oh, this is cutting a profile. Oop, I might have passed it. So let's see. No, I got a lot of programs on here. Okay, so it kicks on, and this is supposed to be about 17,500 RPM. It's pretty quiet. I did try cranking it up to 22,000, and somewhere on my machine's on a metal table. It's a little lighter weight than I thought I needed for this, but I think I have like a wrench or something, and it would vibrate a little. The tape somewhere on this machine would vibrate, but it did the same thing with my original spindle. So 17,500. That's normally where I cut all my stuff, and it works fine. Luckily I haven't had any issues. Fingers crossed I don't have any in the future. But I'd like to recommend this spindle as an option to anyone that has problems with their spindles. And I'll include an Amazon affiliate link below that if you buy it using my link, I get a little bit of kickback from Amazon. So I'd appreciate it if anyone is interested to click on that link and buy it. That way it helps me pay for making these videos. And I hope this helps anyone that's interested. And yeah, that's it. Have a great day, and hopefully I save you a couple bucks. So hopefully this video was worth it, and I'll catch you guys next time. So thanks a lot. Bye bye.